Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this really natural hairstyle using Kinky straight clip-ins from Amazon. I sectioned my hair into 4 parts so it could be easier to work with. I'm going in with some heat protectant from L'Oreal, and I'm going to make sure that product is worked all throughout my hair. For the blow dryer brush, I'm using Revlon. I'm going to do this process to my entire head. For the back half of my hair, I'm braiding my hair straight back. I'm doing this because I don't feel like straightening my entire head. Here is my braid pattern. I don't think it's that serious, but yeah. I'm sectioning my hair into small pieces so that when I flat iron my hair, I can get every strand. First, I'm going in with the Tymo straightening brush. And then at the root, I'm going to switch over to my red 3/15 straightener. This is the Tymo Airflow. I'm switching between the Tymo straightening brush and the Tymo Airflow. This is how the front half of my hair is looking, fully straightened. Here are the Kinky straight clip-ins I got from Amazon in the color Natural Black, and I dyed one clip-in to try to match the back of my hair. I'm straightening the clip-ins to get rid of a little bit of the texture. This is how I install my clip-ins. You'll see me moving them around just to get them where I like them. I know you all probably see my phone over there, but it's because I'm using it. I mirrored it to my iPad so that I can see the back of my head. A little hack for the girlies. As you all can see, I put 3 clip-ins in the back. I'm combing out my hair to see where I want to put the rest of my clip-ins. When I get to this bang area, I literally put them in slanted because I wanted like a slight bang, not too crazy. This looks so good. I'm obsessed. Here you're gonna see me just filling into places where I feel like just needs a little more So now I'm going back in with my 315, straighten it from red, and I'm just straightening pieces where I feel like needed. I'm gonna hit my baby hair, you know. This is the final look. I hope you all love it as much as I do. I am going to get another pack because I want it to be thicker. This hairstyle was so easy to do. Again, these are the Kinky Straight clip-ins from Amazon and the length 18. The color natural black, and it's 120 grams. All the details to this hair will be linked in the description. Make sure to follow me on social media on IG, TikTok, and Twitter, miasavagetv. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.